fortune has a funny way of showing us what's really important in life. We sometimes take for granted to take the time to appreciate the little things, especially when we are too busy running after our goals. We fail to realize what's in front of us, and I'm not talking about tangible things. I'm referring to family just right in front of our nose. If we look beyond problems, beyond work, beyond friends or success, we might realize that family is not just a fundamental part of the society. It is everything. On 14 Washburn Street.
Oh, plastic? Okay. Candy, smile. Ito?
Hold me to your chest. There I like it best. In this catacomb, where it feels like home. You showed how you were mine. We left and took our time, where the walls don't speak. On 14 Washburn Street.